Replacing a toilet handle with the Korky Strongarm 6071 typically takes less than 15 minutes for someone with basic tools and a little patience. Start by gathering a pair of pliers and a small flathead screwdriver and turn off the water at the shutoff valve if your model requires it for clearance. Remove the old handle by loosening the retaining nut inside the tank while holding the handle on the outside to prevent spinning. Slide out the old lever and unhook the lift chain or clip from the flapper or flush valve, and note its length and attachment point so the new mechanism can be positioned the same way. Insert the Korky Strongarm 6071 lever through the tank hole from the outside and hand tighten the dome nut on the inside until the lever is snug but not over-tightened to avoid cracking the tank. Attach the adjustable coupling and connect the lift chain or hook to the flapper arm at a midpoint where the flapper seals fully but lifts easily when the handle is pressed. Test flush operations several times and fine-tune by shortening or lengthening the chain so the flapper seals fully and the handle returns to a neutral position without binding. Common mistakes include over-tightening the interior nut, which can crack the porcelain, so hand tighten and then give only a small additional quarter turn with pliers if needed. Another issue is attaching the chain too short, which prevents the flapper from sealing. If that happens, simply add 1 or 2 extra chain links or move the hook to a lower hole to add slack. A third frequent problem is improper orientation of the Strongarm pivot, which causes the lever to bind. Rotate the exterior handle so it moves freely through its full range before final tightening and recheck, after a few flushes to make small adjustments. We built BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners plan and schedule repairs like replacing a toilet handle and to find trusted local contractors when projects need pro help. Our site also connects contractors with nearby work opportunities and hosts a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips and timing advice.